Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Edith Curtis again. My YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Edith Curtis. Please subscribe, follow, and like, comment. So today I brought you something that I've told you lately. Very many people thought that I'm in a village. Unfortunately, I'm not in a village. Right now, this is the village right now. I'm staying in Entebbe, and those videos that you've been seeing are actually caught in Entebbe. So today I'm in Fort Portal, and I would want to show you very many things that I've always wanted to show you, that tell you practically after coming to my village. The grandee that I always that always told me the stories that I've been telling you, I'm here with her. So today I'm going to show you very many things. Before I leave my village, you'll see very many things about things that I've been telling you, and those that you'll need to know, interesting stories about my village, how my lifestyle, how I grew up, how I lived my life as a young girl in a village Amuisiki in Fort Portal. So I'll bring to you very many things that you'll love to look at, and other stories that I'll shortly bring to you as we are together exploring the Fort Portal city. I don't know whether I'll get time to take you to different parts of Fort Portal, but yeah, I'll bring to you very many stories that you'll love to see. Thank you. So today, in the last video, actually it is, yes, in the last video I showed you how we make the broom. I told you the story of how we did not buy the brooms that you people are buying right now. So I brought you ways of making yourself a broom with just the resources that you're having at home. Unfortunately, there are very many types of brooms just that I told you to, but right now I've just remembered that we are having that other broom, that type of broom that I did not tell you. So we are having types of brooms. You know, in Uganda we have different brooms and the areas they clean. So we are having the broom, one that cleans the house, another one that cleans the compound. So I'm having with me today the two brooms that clean different areas, as I've told you, according to how we partition them to do the specific work they do. So today I'm having this one is the broom that I showed you how we make it. I don't know whether you remember how that we left it to dry, though it is not since I'm not in Kampala, I am not in Entebbe, I don't know how it is right now, but I've brought you this one that I found in our home village, and how it looks. Look at it. This is how long it has spent. Why it is looking this way is that it has worked very many years down the road, and that's why it is like this, very dry. And actually the beauty part of it all, it is how it is looking. The way it is looking, it is the beauty of it. This is why we loved it so much. Guess what? I've brought you this one again. This one I've not gotten time to explain it yet, and actually it is on the other type I told you. This I've just gotten to remember this one just this morning as I saw it. I asked my grandee, and I was like, please get me a broom. I swept the house, and guess what? This is what she handed out to me. So I'll explain shortly in the next video. I'll explain to you how we do this, how she's make. I don't know whether I'll get a chance. She talks to you and tell you what and how she used to do it. I don't know whether I'll get that chance or what. I'll tell you everything about this broom in the next video. So thank you again. This is Edith Curtis. Please subscribe, like, and comment those things about village life that you would know. I'm here to serve you. Thank you. This is Edith Curtis.